Let me ask you something. When you look at this chart, what are you actually looking at? Candles? Or something bigger? Every trend, every breakout, every reversal starts with one simple building block: swing highs and swing lows. Every trend, every breakout, every pullback begins with one simple idea: swing highs and swing lows. Once you understand them, charts become much easier to read. A swing high is a point where a price moves up and starts moving lower. It represents a temporary victory for the sellers. A swing low is where price falls and begins moving higher. It represents a temporary victory for the buyers. Now watch carefully. Trends are simply a series of swing highs and swing lows. When change the swings, and you change the trend. Let's test your eyes. Can you identify the last swing high? Now find the latest swing low. Don't memorize candles. Learn to recognize swing highs and swing lows. Brush text. Swings build trends. Trends tell the story. The next time you open a chart, don't ask, "Where is price?" Ask, "Where are the important swing highs and swing lows?" That one habit will make every chart easier to understand. If you're learning chart reading from scratch, subscribe to the Chart Reader. Next episode, we'll discover why price often reacts before reaching support or resistance through supply and demand zones. Until then, read the chart, understand the story. Remember, indicators can help you make decisions, but price tells you the story.